Namaste. My name is Anand Chawla. I am the director of Anand Diaries Pvt Limited. I am the third generation in this business, and this business was started by my grandfather in 1956. It was started with a stationery shop, and later my father joined him in 1965, Mr. S.S. Chawla. He took this business into a manufacturing process which was achieved in 1985. Since then, Anand Diaries have never looked back, and it has been associated with quality. We at Anand Diaries guarantee value for money across the globe. So my association with Komori is a really interesting story. In 2015, one of my job worker installed a brand new 4-color press from Komori, and the moment I saw that machine, I just fell in love with it, and it took me 9 years to fulfill my dream. And yes, today I have one of those presses with me. My personal reason to invest in Komori is that they also believe in value for money. That is where our frequency is matched. We have 8 other presses in-house, majorly 1 and 2 color presses. For 4 color, we chose Komori because of their market value, support and service. This new printing press, Komori 4 color, will definitely help me to boost my production and my business. More importantly, it has given me a booster of self-confidence because it was a dream which has come true. Yes, brand also affects to the clients, and I am very hopeful and sure that we will get more clients with this press. So my experience with Team Komori is really fantastic. From the day of sales till the day of installation and running the machine, it has been excellent. I would like to drop few names which have really made my journey very easy and comfortable. One is Mr. Jitender, then Mr. Nagar and Mr. Sandeep. All 3 have been very kind and supportive. Thank you. We are highly satisfied with the production and quality output from GL 437, and we are now under consideration for 2 more presses for this year and next year.